Today we're gonna take a look on Runway Gen-4. It's a new AI video to animate images. So in other words, it's image to video. So first I'm gonna prompt GPT 4.5 and I'm gonna ask, I can hide this. I'm gonna ask GPT 4.5. I want to make a movie using Runway Gen-4. The plan is learn about Runway, see how many credits per scene, make a plan on how many photos I'm gonna need, draft an idea, give me the image prompts so I can create these images with ChatGPT, and create the image to video prompts so I can put it into Runway Gen-4. So that's what we're gonna do today. It tells me that it's ready. So here I'm gonna pass the whole prompting guide. When you go over here, it says that there is a guide for prompting, so I don't want to read through all of it. For this purpose, I'm just gonna copy all of it and I'm gonna paste it into the prompt. So here is everything, and then once it's done, it's telling me pretty much a quick summary of all these guidelines. And then I found out that I have 619 credits. So I already said that means that there is 60 credits every 5 seconds. So that means we need 10 images. Once we move on to that, we're gonna now draft the idea. That was step 4. So now the idea, I like this tennis ball Odyssey. So we're gonna copy that here, and I'm gonna change that because I had a previous idea before, but we're gonna take a different approach this time. All right, so there you go. So we're taking a look here on the tennis ball Odyssey. We're gonna open another chat, and in this chat we are actually gonna create the images. So we go / create image. I like to do that, gives me a better approach. Okay, so here's the plan for the 10 scenes. This is the first prompt. We're gonna go ahead, put it straight into ChatGPT. There you go, it's already creating. I just need it in 69, so there is a limit of 11 minutes, and we're gonna use another one. Ideogram probably is gonna be the best for this. We're gonna go to Recraft. Recraft is also very good. And so here we're gonna go to Recraft, image, v3, that is the best one. Allow. Perfect. The next. All right, so now we have the video prompts. 1. All right, so now that we have that, we go to the prompt for image to video. Perfect, 69. That should be good. Crop it, and then we describe it. Perfect, boom. Surprise us. Okay, so this, we're gonna let it run here. I love this one, so we're gonna keep it. As you can see, here is the second one. Not very real, but it's not bad. This is the third one. That's just weird, especially with the physics. I love this one. And the last one, we have this one in the beach, as you can see at the end. Wow, this is amazing. For the final render version, I'm gonna go to suno.com. That is this AI songs creator. You just put some simple or some lyrics and it will make a song.
I was flying high, spinning through the sky, caught between the cheers as I bounced on by. Feel the rush, catch the air, nothing holding me. A little yellow explorer, wild and free.